Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kraken versus Terrova trolling motors. We'll dive into their core features, helping you understand the key distinctions between these popular options. We'll look at aspects like available thrust, shaft lengths, and advanced GPS navigation systems. My goal is to help you determine which motor offers the best fit for your specific fishing needs and boat setup, ensuring you make an informed decision. The Minn Kota Terrova is a long-standing favorite, known for its robust performance and user-friendly features. It offers impressive thrust options, reaching up to 112 pounds, suitable for various boat sizes. The integrated iPilot GPS system is a standout, providing precise boat positioning with features like spot lock. Its lift assist mechanism simplifies deployment and retrieval, making it a convenient choice for many anglers on the water. The Lowrance Ghost Kraken is a newer contender, designed for serious anglers seeking maximum power and precision. It delivers exceptional thrust, up to 120 pounds, making it ideal for larger boats and challenging conditions. The Kraken's brushless motor ensures incredibly quiet operation, a huge advantage for stealthy fishing. Its highly accurate GPS anchoring system provides superior boat control, even in strong currents or windy environments, enhancing your fishing experience. Deciding between the Kraken and Terrova ultimately depends on your specific requirements. If you prioritize proven reliability, ease of use, and a slightly more budget-friendly option for smaller to medium-sized boats, the Terrova is an excellent choice. However, if you need superior thrust for larger vessels, advanced GPS accuracy, and an exceptionally quiet motor for stealth, the Kraken stands out. Consider your boat size, typical fishing conditions, and desired features to make the best decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.